Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna take you with me on my travel for business, and I wanna show you what I take with me on a short domestic trip. So I've made videos before about what I take when I go abroad, but for just a couple days, what would I take with me, especially if it's a more professional event? So I have all the gadgets and gizmos and what I pack coming up right now. Now, of course, I've got my level 8 suitcase that they sent me over almost a year ago, and I've just been using it as my main suitcase ever since. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite suitcase I've ever owned. And yeah, having a metal suitcase is just awesome. So that's what we'll be packing everything in addition to something else. In addition to my level 8 suitcase, we have here the infamous douche bag, which is now actually just DB or DB Journey, depending on where you are. But this is one of their original backpacks. I believe now it's called the Ramverk, but this is the OG. This is the OG camera bag. I have been using this for, gosh, so many years. I mean, probably like mid-college in 2019, 2018. And it's been fantastic. I've had literally no issues with it. I've bought these for all my friends for their birthdays because they're simply the best backpacks ever. So not sponsored, I just love it. And you can't find this one anymore. Something I absolutely love about this backpack is we do have a water bottle holder, a laptop sleeve that holds up to a 16-inch laptop, just barely, but I'm usually putting my 14-inch MacBook Pro in there and it works fine. And as you can see, there's not really a pocket in the front. However, the whole front zips open and you got pockets inside. So once I pack it, you'll notice how much space there is. And then we got the top pocket here for putting my keys, portable batteries, anything like that. And then we just have some more straps here on the side. This does connect with the whole DB portfolio of products. So you can use the system here to attach it to other products. Those are the bags. But what will we be putting in them? So first off, having battery charge is extremely important, especially when you're going on a more professional trip, a business trip. You don't want your laptop, your Apple Watch, or most importantly, your phone to run out of battery. And I have some great options for you here. Now, these are great products, but I also was sent them. So just you'll be able to find them down below, but I actually do use them. So first off, we have the Vinco 10,000 milliamp hour portable battery. I really like this one because it has both a USB-C and Lightning cable built into it. And you even have output of USB-C if you want to charge even faster or charge another device. And you have a screen here that tells you how much battery you have left. And right now we have 100%, so that's what it's showing here. This one is great, especially because the Lightning cable also acts as kind of a hook that you can hang it on and such. Another option is this super slim. I mean, you can see how slim that is. It's like a credit card, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. This is the one I would keep like in my suit pocket to charge my iPhone. It has USB-C input and output to charge it, but what's really cool about this is that it has a built-in USB-C cable. You can't see it, there you go. And this would allow me to keep my phone in my pocket and charge at the same time and really not be that thick. I mean, I used to have the Apple MagSafe portable charger that we put on the back of the phone. That one did not have much capacity. I believe it was less than 5,000 milliamp hours, maybe like 2,600 or something. This has 5,000 and it's super slim. I mean, it's way slimmer than the other ones. So this is great for just keeping it on you at all times. And then the other one is the one I would have in my backpack for any emergencies. The last one that I use sometimes is the Anchor portable charger right here. This one also, I believe, is 5,000 milliamp hours, if I got that right. It's got 22.5, yeah, so watts of output, but this is also 5,000 milliamp hours. You just flip up the USB-C and you can charge, or you can use the cable to fast charge. So those are the three portable chargers I would take. I will be taking these two with me on this trip. So let's get to the other items. So this one's a little bit more quirky, but I've gotten into running over the last year. And one thing that kind of annoys me is that the iPhones are a bit heavier and chunkier nowadays. And I found my old iPod Touch. And now I use this. I downloaded my music on here, and this is what I will have with me when I go for a run. Obviously my Apple Watch Ultra, which will come with me as well, tracks my workout. You could have the music on there as well, but sometimes it's good to just have a device I can flip through the music really quick. So I just have my Spotify on here, and I'm able to just boop. The battery kind of sucks. So if anybody knows how to replace the battery or know of a cheap way to replace the battery, please let me know, because it's struggling to hold a charge for longer than just one run. But yeah, so I have all my music on here. I'll be taking this with me. It's 128 gigs. It gets the job done. Now, of course, you gotta take headphones. And so I will be taking my AirPods Pro. You've seen those, you know what those look like. Everybody has those. But the other pair of headphones I absolutely love, especially when traveling, are these Beats Studio Pros. These are the newest version of them in the brown color, and I absolutely love them. They look great. They are the best headphones I've ever owned, and I've had a lot of good ones. I've had the previous versions, I've had the Sony XM4s, XM5s, I still have those, and I only use these when it comes to overheads. I've had the AirPods Max, and these are just the best. They're the most comfortable, they sound fantastic. Obviously, it's an Apple product, has an H1 chip, H2 chip, and so it connects to all my Apple products super easily, and the battery life is absolutely fantastic. It's like 40 hours, and I never have to charge this thing. I never have to worry about it. So headphones, Beats Studio Pros, they're fantastic. They also look more professional than I think the AirPods do. So that's another little plus of these. No, you cannot come with me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you cannot come. A new charging solution I have found that actually was at Costco, but it's available on Amazon as well. Again, everything is linked down below if you need to find it, but it's this Anchor charging cube. So essentially it allows through MagSafe and an included Apple Watch charger that you can charge 3 things with it. So you can charge an Apple Watch, you can charge your iPhone via the MagSafe on the front, and you can charge AirPods or anything else that uses wireless charging on this part of it right here. So this is the perfect like 3 charging solution. I know AirPower never came from Apple, so this is the next best thing, and it's great. I bring it with me now everywhere I go. It's super small, it charges quickly, and it gets really compact. You just close that, you just put that in, and boom, you have all 3 chargers all in one. It's fantastic. And while we're in the bedroom, yes, I will be bringing my Kindle, and yes, I do have the one with ads. I didn't want to pay more just to not have ads. So that's a Kindle, that's what we got. We're bringing this. It's the Kindle Paperwhite. It's the newest generation of it. It's great. I love that it has the new kind of like blue light blocking. It gets warmer at night, essentially. It has automatic bright night light, so just really great. This is a fantastic device, especially if you don't want to be on your phone right before bed. Now, when it comes to professional events that might be conferences or meetings, I don't particularly want to always bring my laptop with me. And so that's where the iPad Pro comes in. This is one of the ones that is powered by an M chip. So this is actually the M1 powered iPad Pro 12.9 inch. I have the Apple Pencil, I have the full Folio keyboard solution here, the Magic Keyboard. So this is fantastic, and I use this every time I go to like a meeting or a conference, because it's not that light, to be honest, but it's compact enough and it gets everything done that I need to, especially when I don't really want to bring my MacBook with me everywhere. This is just the best option. So I'll always have this when I travel, especially if you want to watch a movie on a plane. The screen is so good with that ProMotion. A new addition to my everyday carry is this wallet. So this was also sent by Ausgang, and essentially this wallet is going to replace the one that I've been using for a very long time because it has a money clip. We have another place to put a credit card, but what's really, really, really cool about this, obviously, is RFID blocking and all that stuff, but it combines a couple things that I really like. So one, easy, you can flip it out like an FBI agent, flip it up. I've got my ID here. I put it there because I don't want you all seeing my ID number, but usually it would be up here. but it's got a really cool feature where you can just pull down. It's hard to do with one hand, but you just pull down on the switch and give me a sec. I pulled it down and all the cards pop up. So it's really cool. You can put I would say 6 credit cards in there, plus you have the one on the front and the back and up there. But what's really cool about it is it is integrated with Find My. So this top portion actually has a kind of like a card looking chip thing, and it has Find My. So you don't, I really loved my Apple Wallet because of the Find My, but I kind of ruined it. And so I haven't been able to use that. But this has full Find My functionality. And so if I forget it, I lose it, I'm able to see exactly where it is. And so that is a game changer. So thank you for sending that over. I will be using this as my wallet because yeah, you don't want to be losing your ID and all your credit cards and your money and not knowing where it is. So that is awesome. Thank you. In any case, that's what I'm bringing. I'm also gonna bring some suits and stuff, but I gotta actually pack it because I'm leaving quite soon and I don't want to be late because my flight is in the morning. Made it to the hotel, and yes, my charging brick has saved me and 2 other people who needed it, and especially because it has lightning, which I don't carry around with me anymore, so this is the only one that has it. It's been useful. Thank you again for watching this video all the way through. The links to everything mentioned at the beginning of the video will be in the description below. I love visiting Chicago. Every time I go back, I think, wow, I have got to live here someday. But at the end of the video, I have a bit of plane spotting. We've got an A340. We've got the Pokemon liveried ANA. I hope you enjoy. For those Av geeks out there that watch my channel, this one was kind of a bit of a look into my life, and honestly I felt like I needed a bit more space packing because of the suits and all, but that's my little rant. Thanks again for sticking with me all the way to the end. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next one.